Hey everybody, I'm back again with another video. So grab yourself a cold drink and let's get this on. So I've been testing a LED light strip I purchased off of Amazon a while back. Now, there were a few reasons I purchased it. Number one, it had really good reviews. Number two, it had a remote control. Number three, it was RGB. Number four, it came with its own power supply. And number five, it's outdoor rated. Now, the outdoor rating pertains to the LED strip itself. I don't believe the power supply or the remote receiver are outdoor rated, but it would meet my needs since I'm going to use it for a computer desk and possibly a PC. Now, the whole setup costs $19.99 plus tax. Now, I get free shipping because I have a Amazon Prime membership. Here are some of the features that it has. It has a dimmable control, so you can set your brightness level from high, and I think it's got like 4 or 5 different lighting settings. It has a pause and a reset button. I really didn't use that. It has an on and an off button, and it has a bunch of modes, so you can fade in, fade out, flash, stuff like that. Make it look like Christmas lights almost. But the whole setup is 20 bucks and seems to be pretty well built. Now, I've been testing it for a couple months now, and I haven't seen any LEDs go bad. It doesn't get super hot. It gets a little tiny bit warm, but nothing really hot to the touch. So it has a 12 volt 5 amp power supply that it comes with, along with the receiver and the strip itself and a remote control. So, and as you can see here, it's plugged in and it has this multicolored cable, so it's modular. It goes into the LED strip itself, and the LED strip has a adhesive backing on it, and it's on this black roll here. And then at the very end, it has this modular plug receiver fitting on it that you can actually extend the roll if you had another roll. And here is the remote, and as you can see, it has the brightness settings, so you have your up and your down right here. So, and you can't just hold it to turn it down, you have to press it separate times in order to change the brightness level. So as you can see, I'm setting it back to full brightness, which it looks like it's got 4 different brightness modes, and then that's the pause and reset button, which I really didn't know how to use. And then you have your different colors. Now you have 20 different color options. You got your red, your green, your blue, your white, and then if you set the dimness down, it will show that it's a tricolor. You'll see your red, blue, and green LEDs in the strip itself when you have white selected. So I'm just going to press each one, make sure that it changes every time to the corresponding color on the remote. And it's looking good. So these are just your presets, and then you also have a auto mode, which will go through all the different flashing and different pulsing modes that it has. So it's pretty cool if you wanted to make your desk look like a Christmas tree, I guess. So then you have your different fade ins and outs. So that's pretty cool feature. Makes it look like almost like a heart beating or whatever. And it changes colors at the same time. And you can change the speed of the fade. And then there's also the jump color too. So it's got a lot of little features for a little $20 item. And I can see using this on my computer or my desk, and I might use it for both and tie them all together, because the other cool thing about this strip is that you can cut it, and there are spots on the strip where it tells you to cut it, and then you can solder jumpers in order to put the lights in different places and extend the distance from where it goes to each part of the strip. So definitely when I get my computer desk ready, I will do a video on how to utilize this strip and how to install the jumpers and all that in order to make it custom. So let's take a closer look at the strip itself. Now, as you can see, it's totally clear when it's turned off, and there is the spots to solder to, and you can see that little scissor icon which shows you where to cut it, and it's basically just 12 volt and then green, red, and blue, and you have the adhesive backing so you can stick it on all kinds of different surfaces. How about we do some final thoughts time? So I've been testing this strip for weeks, and it has worked as advertised. It's a good buy from Amazon for $20 and can be used for lots of applications. Since it is a 12 volt, you can use this for automotive projects also. I will be doing a custom desk project, and I will be using these LEDs then. If you want to catch that project and much more, please subscribe. Or if you found this video helpful, click like. It helps the channel out. Anyway, that's my video. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna get the tech out of here.